Have you ever heard of a place called Tiger Bay? Tiger Bay is a legendary place, a place where winners are born and live such impressive lives. Now, that we celebrate them in our history and remember them in our books. This is the story of one of Tiger Bay's heroes, Billy Boston.
From a young age, the thing Billy loved most was holding a rugby ball in his hands and running. Billy's dream was to play for Cardiff or even Wales. When Billy ran, nobody could catch him. He had speed, he had skill, and he had power.
As Billy grew older, despite his talent, his power, and his speed, he was ignored by many clubs. He never got to play for Cardiff, let alone Wales. He was more than good enough, but in those days, people like Billy were not treated fairly. They were not allowed to play in some matches or with certain teams. They were treated in this cruel way just because of the colour of their skin. It was unfair and wrong.
Billy didn't let the unfairness stop him from playing the game he loved. He joined Youth RFC and scored lots of tries. One day he received a call from Wigan, a team from the north of England. They offered Billy a lot of money to go and play for them. From the very start, Billy was a star in Wigan. He was fast and skillful and powerful, and nobody could stop him. With Billy's help, Wigan won everything there was to win. Other teams learned to fear the giant on the wing who was light and fast, despite being so big and strong. Billy was a global superstar. By the time he finished playing, he had scored 572 tries in 562 games. Nobody else from Great Britain has ever scored many.